Hey coders, how's it going? My name is Mohamedou, and I'm one of the creators of Blackprint. So I want to tell you a little bit about this course. So this course will broaden your technical horizons, focus on systematic problem solving, and incrementally strengthen your fundamentals. Our courses are video-based, text-based, self-paced, and hands-on, which provides you with the perfect learning environment to learn how to code. I've designed the modules to get harder over time. So if you're struggling to complete the current module, you should probably not move on. It's all about having mastery of the current topics before moving on to the next one. So don't hesitate to revisit the lecture videos and thoroughly review the reading materials as you prepare to tackle the coding challenge again. By doing so, you'll be reinforcing your understanding of the core concepts and techniques. This process not only aids in building your confidence, but also equips you with the knowledge needed to approach the coding challenge with a stronger grasp. Embrace the opportunity to enhance your skills through repeated practice, and you'll find yourself better equipped to overcome the coding challenge. You're going to start at a relatively easy level of difficulty, and we're going to ramp up over time and incorporate different topics. Whenever I introduce a new topic, I'm going to be sure to give you tons of practice on that same topic before moving on to a new topic. Now, as we get into the later stages of the course, I'm going to force you to recall really old topics that you've learned. That way, you've mastered everything by the end of the course. A developer has unique needs to learn and succeed. So here at Blackprint, we set out to be a platform that acknowledges those needs. We could flood our site with random courses, but we'd rather be really good at one thing than mediocre at everything. That's why our series is taught in one programming language instead of having you dabble in a few. This course is made up of multiple modules, and for each module, the recommended flow is watching all lecture videos, then reviewing all reading materials, and finally, completing the coding challenge. Now, some things to keep in mind while working on the coding challenge is each module includes a hints tab to help you as you solve the coding challenge. You should use this tab when you need help and need a hint. Each module includes a walkthrough tab, which includes a video of me talking through my thought process as I solve the coding challenge. Use this tab when you are completely stuck. Each module includes a solution tab that includes a static solution of how I solve the coding challenge. Viewing the solution is a key part of learning. Reading and understanding other people's code is a huge part of coding. In addition, you will find that the solution contains Python best practices and clean code. Now, if you encounter a problem that you find challenging and end up referring to the walkthrough or solution, don't let that discourage you. The fact that you can follow the instructions provided in the walkthrough or solution tabs is actually a positive indication. As you review the walkthrough or solution, focus on grasping the underlying concepts and the process involved. This understanding will be valuable for tackling similar problems in the future, enabling you to approach them with confidence. Furthermore, I recommend revisiting the problems that stumped you initially and working on them until you're capable of resolving them independently. Sufficiency is key, and that's how you'll gain confidence with the material.